Coinone Crypto Exchange Review. My usage experience. Welcome to my review of Coinone, a cryptocurrency exchange that's built to simplify trading while offering robust security. Coinone primarily caters to both beginners and experienced traders in the South Korean market, but also supports global users seeking a reliable platform. It's known for its clean user interface, a comprehensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, and top-tier security measures like multi-signature wallets and two-factor authentication. One standout feature of Coinone is its integration of fiat to crypto trading pairs, enabling users to seamlessly trade KRW, Korean won, for popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. The platform also supports staking and DeFi services, which allow users to earn passive income on certain tokens directly from their accounts. For advanced traders, Coinone provides powerful charting tools and real-time market data, although it doesn't overwhelm with unnecessary complexity. Coinone's fees are competitive, with a standard maker-taker model that rewards high-volume traders with discounts. However, one thing to note is that its fee structure is slightly higher for lower-volume users compared to global exchanges like Binance or KuCoin. That said, its fee transparency and reliability often make up for this. Deposit and withdrawal options are efficient, but note that fiat deposits currently cater more to South Korean users, so international traders might need to rely on crypto transfers. On the security front, Coinone boasts one of the best track records in the industry. They use cold storage to protect user funds and undergo regular audits to maintain compliance. The customer support team is responsive, offering help via email and chat, although the availability of English support could be improved. Mobile users will appreciate the intuitive Coinone app, which offers virtually the same functionality as the desktop platform, making it easy to trade on the go. In conclusion, Coinone excels in delivering a secure, feature-rich exchange for South Korean users and traders worldwide who value a balance between simplicity and functionality. While it might not suit those who need extensive fiat trading support outside of KRW, its strengths in crypto offerings, security, and usability make it a trustworthy option. If you're considering Coinone, my experience suggests it's a solid choice for reliable crypto trading.